How to get approved for any credit card. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly get approved for the best credit cards with crazy high limits, while others get denied over and over? It's not random. It's not luck. It's because they know how to game the system. In today's world, having the right credit cards isn't just about convenience. It's about building wealth, maximizing rewards, securing emergency funds, and opening doors you didn't even know existed. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain. In this 3-part series, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get approved for any credit card, even if you've faced rejections before. Let's start with the real reasons people get denied, and why fixing them is easier than you think. Why you keep getting denied, and what credit card issuers really look for. It's not just your credit score. A 750 plus 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐞 score looks sexy, but your score alone won't guarantee approval. Banks today look at your entire credit profile. According to Experian, issuers now factor in things like income stability, existing debt load, recent hard inquiries, length and depth of credit history, types of credit used, delinquencies or public records. A score is just the entry ticket. The real evaluation is holistic. A person with a 720 score but $10,000 in maxed out cards is riskier than someone with a 680 score but low utilization and a clean history. High credit utilization equals big red flag utilization, meaning how much of your available credit you're using is a major factor. The average person who gets approved for new cards has credit utilization under 20%. Meanwhile, if you're above 30%, your approval chances drop by over 60% based on FICO's internal modeling. If you want a shot at premium cards, bring your utilization down to under 10% before applying. Even temporarily paying down balances for a month or two can make a huge difference. Too many recent applications equals instant rejection. Each hard inquiry lowers your score slightly, but banks also read between the lines. If they see 3 or more inquiries in the past 6 months, you start looking desperate, even if you're just shopping around. Space out applications by at least 90 days. Or better yet, check if the bank offers a pre-qualification tool that uses a soft pull instead. Thin credit files equals higher risk. If you have fewer than 3 open credit accounts, banks see you as thin, meaning there's not enough history to judge you reliably. In fact, according to Experian, over 62% of credit denials happen because the applicant had too little open credit history, not because they had bad scores. Start by opening low-stakes accounts first: a secured card, a retail store card, a small personal loan or credit builder loan. Build history for 6 to 12 months before applying for prime cards. Late payments, even small ones, are deadly. A single 30-day late payment can drop your score by 60 to 110 points, depending on your profile. Banks see recent lates as a huge risk indicator. Many will auto-deny you if you have any late payment reported in the last 12 months. Focus on repairing your history first before chasing new cards. Before you apply for any credit card, make sure you keep credit utilization under 10%, space out applications, build at least 6 months of clean, active history, dispute or fix any reporting errors, pre-qualify where possible instead of cold applying. Approval isn't just about what you want. It's about making banks feel safe saying yes to you. Now that you know why you've been getting denied, I'm going to show you the exact playbook, step by step, to guarantee approval, maximize your starting credit limit, and even start building toward elite cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred or American Express Platinum. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Step-by-step blueprint for guaranteed credit card approval. Step 1. Know your approval. Odds before you apply. Before you fill out a single application, use the bank's pre-qualification or pre-approval tools. Capital One. Discover. American Express, Chase, and Citi all offer online pre-checks. These tools use soft pulls, meaning they don't hurt your score. If you pre-qualify for a card, your chances of full approval are 70% to 90% higher. If you don't pre-qualify, work on your profile and try again in 60 to 90 days. Step 2. Pick the right card for your profile. Not every card is built for everyone. Match yourself to the right tier. Scores under 640? Target secured cards like Discover It Secured or Capital One Secured. Scores 640 to 699? Go for starter cards like Capital One, Quicksilver One, Mission Lane Visa, or Pedal Card. Scores 700 plus. You can now target top-tier cards like Chase Freedom Unlimited, Citi Double Cash, or Amex Blue Cash. Step 3. Boost your income documentation. Here's a hidden secret most people don't realize. Banks don't usually verify income unless something looks suspicious. You're allowed to include household income, if you live with a partner or parents. You can also include variable income like freelance gigs, side hustles, tips, commissions, etc. The higher your stated income, the bigger your approval odds, and higher your starting limit. According to a lending tree study, applicants reporting $75,000 plus income have 40% higher credit approval rates than those under $45,000. Step 4. Optimize your timing. Timing matters more than you think. Best time to apply? Right after you pay off credit card balances, when your utilization is low. Right after your paycheck hits. Banks sometimes pull bank account data. Right after removing any late payments, or after your credit repair disputes clear. Avoid applying if you just took out a new loan or have recent inquiries from shopping mortgages or auto loans. Step 5. Add positive accounts. Before applying, if possible. If your profile is thin or weak, you can artificially thicken it before applying. Become an authorized user on someone else's good card. Family, spouse? Open a credit builder account, like Self, Grow Credit, or Kickoff. Use Experian Boost to add positive payment history from utilities and rent. Experian Boost users saw an average 𝐂𝐸 jump of 12 points within 30 days, sometimes enough to cross an approval threshold. If you found this breakdown powerful, so hit that subscribe button, binge watch the playlist, and visit 𝐲𝑒consultant.com if you're serious about leveling up your financial game. This isn't just credit repair, this is credit domination. At 𝐲𝑒Consultant, we specialize in expert credit restoration services tailored to your needs. Visit 𝐲𝑒consultant.com today to take charge of your financial future. 𝐲𝑒's Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.